Here we'll look at an introduction paragraph for your independent essay. That is the second essay on your TOEFL. Well, we need a question to start with. You've seen this question before. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Print media, including magazines and newspapers, will soon be completely replaced by Internet news sources. Use specific reasons and examples to support your answer. Okay, I'm going to disagree with this. Maybe you agree. That's fine. There's no right or wrong answer. What will I do? In my introduction, I'm going to use 5 sentences. The first sentence gives a very general statement about the world. There's nothing about media here. Nothing about newspapers or magazines or internet news. This is very, very broad. My next sentence elaborates on the general statement. This means it gives more detail. It explains it a little bit more. But this is still not going to be on the topic of news media. It's about the world in general and a little bit more specific, a little bit more explanation, but not yet about the topic that the question asked. Next, we specify the topic. Here we talk about news. This is a restatement, a paraphrase of the question. Remember to use your words when you paraphrase. Do not use the same words that you saw in the question. If you copy the same sentence, it will hurt you. After that, I'm going to show the other side, give the other opinion, people who agree with the statement. This gives a very nice transition to my opinion, which will be the last sentence of the paragraph. Giving your opinion in the end of the paragraph is a very nice stress, a nice emphasis on your opinion. It makes it very clear and strong and noticeable. It also acts as a very nice transition into your body paragraphs, which will give more detail on your opinion. Okay, let's see that sample. Nobody doubts that we live in a rapidly changing time. This is the world in general. It's not about news, not about magazines. The technology of the past is being replaced every day, as seen in music recording, map making, and many other areas. Okay, this gives us some more specific pieces, but we're still not talking about print news. It defines the rapidly changing times. It elaborates or explains that idea, but we are not yet talking about my opinion. Print media is, of course, affected by this change, and many think that paper news sources will soon disappear. Okay, I actually combined two sentences into one here. Print media is affected by this change. This specifies the topic from the question. Many people think that newspapers will disappear, that paper news sources will soon disappear. This gives the other side. Together, as one sentence, it's a little bit more complex. Remember that using structures and formats can help you, but if you can combine sentences and create new structures, that's how you get the highest scores on the TOEFL. But while magazines and newspapers may become less popular, they will probably not vanish completely. Here is my opinion. Magazines and newspapers will not vanish completely. It is connected to the other side. Magazines and newspapers may become less popular, so there is a nice transition between them. But I end the intro with my main idea. Now I'm ready to move on to my body paragraphs. Thank you for listening.